Are you wondering about what happened on DIY in the month of April because you couldn't check any of the popular posts, new features, trending challenges, or your friends' activities because you just didn't have the time and now all you can feel is FOMO like me? Wait, I'll be back. Okay, I just checked in with my friends at the DIY headquarters. Here we go. DIY launched its very own shop called, surprise, surprise, the DIY shop. Win some gems and then use those gems to buy whatever we want. Turns out, DIY also launched something pretty awesome called the DIY League. We all know that there are several courses on the DIY platform. Actually, the only reason I'm saying the word several is because the word several takes less time than saying the word 62, which is the number of courses that DIY has. And I think I just spent double the time explaining myself. Why would I do that? I had no idea. But I do have a pretty decent idea about the new courses DIY launched in the month of April. Get Audition ready, Understanding Colors, and Procreate made easy. And now, let me show you some DIYers that were in the spotlight real quick. Now I'm going to show you some challenges that got everybody's attention this month. Alright, so I guess that's it for the month of April here on DIY. I don't know what the rest of your day is looking like, but I strongly suggest that you make it awesome by hurrying on over to DIY. Unless you're watching this video on the platform, in which case, please ignore me and carry on. Wink, wink. Until next time, homies, peace out!